You can enable your compatible watch to play motivational status announcements during a run or other activity. Audio prompts play on your connected Bluetooth headphones or from your speaker of watch, if available. Otherwise, audio prompts play on your phone paired through the Garmin Connect app. During an audio prompt, the watch or phone mutes the primary audio to play the announcement.
Lap 1, 8 seconds.
This video will use menu 3, but the process is similar for other devices. To enable audio prompt, hold menu key. Select Settings. Select Audio Prompts. Customize your audio prompts according to your needs here. To hear a prompt for each lap, select Lap Alert. To customize prompts with your pace and speed information, select Pace Speed Alert. To customize prompts with your heart rate information, select Heart Rate Alert. To customize prompts with power data, select Power Alert. To hear prompts when you start and stop the activity timer, including the auto pause feature, select Timer Events. To hear workout alerts play as an audio prompt, select Workout Alerts. To hear activity alerts play as an audio prompt, select Activity Alerts. Activity alerts option need to be set in the alerts of each activity. To change the language or the dialect of the voice prompts, select Dialect. Once completed, this setting will be applied to all compatible activities. And that's it. Thanks for watching.